Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got a game changer for all you DIY enthusiasts out there, the Smart and Easy Paint and Varnish Remover Gel. This revolutionary product is here to make your paint removal projects a breeze, especially when working with plastic surfaces. Stay tuned, as we explore why this is the best paint remover for plastic on the market. Let's start with an overview of the Smart and Easy Paint and Varnish Remover Gel. This gel is designed to strip multiple layers of acrylic, latex, oil, and water-based paints, varnishes, stains, and coatings. But what sets it apart is its remarkable effectiveness on plastic surfaces, making it an ideal choice for plastic-based projects. Now, let's delve into some of its key features that make it the top choice for plastic paint removal. The Smart and Easy Gel is tough on paint but gentle on plastic. It effectively removes layers of paint without causing damage to the underlying plastic surface. Unlike many other paint removers, this product is water-based. It doesn't contain harmful chemicals like methylene chloride or NMP, making it safer for you and the environment. This gel is compatible with a wide range of surfaces, including wood, brick, stone, metal, marble, terracotta, granite, terrazzo, concrete, plaster, and even plastic. It's a true all-rounder. The application is a breeze. Just spread it on like cake icing, let it sit, and watch it work its magic. Plus, it's easy to clean up once you're done. Say goodbye to the unpleasant odor of traditional paint removers. This gel features a refreshing orange citrus scent, making your DIY projects a more pleasant experience. Now, let's walk through how to use the Smart and Easy Paint and Varnish Remover Gel for plastic surfaces. Ensure the plastic surface is clean and dry before application. Spread the gel evenly over the paint or varnish you want to remove. You can use a brush or a spatula for this. Allow the gel to sit for at least 1 to 24 hours. The longer you wait, the more layers it can remove. Use a plastic scraper to gently remove the softened paint. For stubborn areas, you may need to repeat the process. Clean the surface thoroughly with water to remove any residue. Let's hear what some users have to say about their experience with the Smart and Easy Paint and Varnish Remover Gel. Here's a pro tip. Pair the Smart and Easy Gel with Demand laminated paper to speed up the removal process and make cleanup a snap. The paper protects the gel from drying out and traps paint chips and debris. In conclusion, the Smart and Easy Paint and Varnish Remover Gel is undoubtedly the best paint remover for plastic, providing outstanding results while being user-friendly and environmentally safe. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this product is a game-changer for your paint removal projects. Don't miss out on this incredible solution for plastic paint removal. Check out the links in the description below to get your hands on the Smart and Easy Paint and Varnish Remover Gel today. And if you've used this product before, share your experience with us in the comments. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more informative product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.